howdy y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another 52 weeks of favorite photos, and I'm also combining this with how to kill a kit with style and baby got scraps. So, I'm having fun using up my kit, y'all. This one is going to be another simple layout. All of the elements being done really help bring it together quickly. And I'm using another paper from my 49 and Market from my kit that I picked out. And it's not going to be a floral page or a winter page again. And I'm using this stamp set. This is something I don't rarely ever pull out. I don't think to use, but I thought I wanted something with the notebook paper, and so I pulled this out to use it. And I'm using this picture of me and my hubby at work. He works for M&M Mars that makes the candy M&Ms. And this was whenever I went to go have lunch with him one day. And it's a little sad because you can't have lunch with him anymore since COVID. This is like in 2018, I think the picture was, and they've made lots of changes since then. And then, and he also works night shift now and not day shift, so I'm not getting up middle of the night to go have lunch. I stamped out 3 of these and did my journaling on them, and then I took a hole punch, and a small hole punch, and then punched the top so that it would look pretty clean, like an actual notebook. I have M&Ms that I cut out, and I used printables. I have some stickers. I don't know if I'll use them or not. And then I have these M&Ms. These were a free SVG download. I still have their eyebrows that have to be attached. That doesn't come attached to them. But I did all the different ones. Like I said, these were free downloads. So, and then I have printable flowers. I have more butterflies that I cut out of my paper. And then the M&M, it says M&Ms, and I didn't use the apostrophe S on it. But it was part of this download that you could do. And then I just cut out some circles and used the M that came out of the colored one. Cut extra M's and put on here. So I have a bunch of little just round M&Ms. So let's put this together. Like I said, it's going to go pretty quickly. And I don't know if I said, but that was a Vicky Booten stamp from a Sweet Rush collection. Okay. So my thought is I will put my M&Ms up here on top. So let me glue these. I'm going to go like this. And since I'm going to do my big M&Ms down here, I'm going to put them down here in rainbow order. I thought I would go backwards from rainbow order up here on top. So give it a little color variation. So I have those there, and then I'm going to add my photo here, and I just matted it on some scrap black paper. I stamped and cut these out of scrap paper. I used all scrap paper to create the M&Ms. So I actually did use up a lot of scraps. Yay! Okay. So I have my photo on, and these M&Ms, and then I don't want to mess up their eyebrows. And I'll probably have to go and look at the files to see how their eyebrows actually go on. So, that's going to wait a minute. Okay. Let's see. I'm thinking I would just put some flowers. This was like summertime whenever I had lunch with him. So I brought in flowers, but I was trying to figure out how to use this paper. I think I'm going to have one up here because I want to have my journaling. But we'll see. I may change it up. Who knows? I could go like that. But I wanted to bring in flowers to kind of match. And since these are kind of colors that was in the M&Ms, I didn't think it was like a huge stretch to use this floral paper. Because, like I said, sometimes it's been a little hard to figure out what I'm going to do with the 49 and Market paper, but it not necessarily be winter or something to do with floral or whatever. So, and then I'm thinking I'm going to put my I think this is the order they go in. I think I'm going to put my journaling up here to tell the story. And, or something along these lines. I may move it around a little bit. I want to be able to still see the writing. And do some butterflies. Because y'all know I'm trying to use up these butterflies in every way I can. Okay, let's see here. I'm just going to leave these laying on here with their eyebrows. Because like I said, I'll have to go back and check to see exactly how they're supposed to go. Okay, maybe move this up. Red, orange, yellow. Okay. I was about to say that one only has one, but there's the other one. Okay, let's see here. Green and then blue. So, I think this is how my layout's going to go. And I'm thinking I will just kind of do the butterflies fluttering through. I've just been trying to use these up. I think every layout, maybe every layout I did this month has had butterflies. And then I have this one that's Follow Your Dreams. And then when I was cleaning up, I've been trying to clean up my room before surgery. And I found this that says Live Colorfully. And I thought that would go good on this page because, you know, M&Ms and they're colorful and all those things. So I might try to see if I can work it in. Or maybe even up here or something. I think that's going to be how the page goes. I will glue it down, look and see about their eyebrows, and then I'll be back. Alright, so I got it all glued down. This is how it came together. I had to look up how their eyebrows went. But aren't they cute? And they were really simple to make and easy. Go and check out everyone else that's playing along. With How to Kill a Kit, 52 Weeks of Photos, and Baby Got Scraps. Baby Got Scraps, I think, is just for January. So, I'm sure everyone else has lots of good ideas on ways to use up scraps. And all that is linked below in the description. Also, if you're not over on the Facebook group, come over and hang out. It's linked below also. And until next time, bye y'all.